playing free facility without sound of Camila. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, I don't know when the beast is near, since I can't hear any sound. So I can only tell by the lights. Let's just hope we can survive. Shoot, I failed. Okay, I'm out. Since I can't hear the beast coming. Run. The beast light. I'm pretty sure it's behind me. Yep, it's chasing me. This is the right hiding spot. It hit me. Why is the beast just standing there? Good, it left. Yes, I got saved. It's back. Someone shut the door on me. Now I got hit again. Captured again. Help! I'm saved. Camila is captured. The beast. I got hit. I was trying to save Camila. Great, I'm here once again. Someone help me. Nope, I'm gonna freeze. I died. This challenge is harder than I thought. Well, that was a quick round. Camila is probably gonna die too. This challenge seems easy, but it's super hard. Anyway, we'll end the video here. Hope you all enjoyed. Tell us if we should do this again. Bye!